going on, guys? It's Nando back with one more video. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching this video. It's been a while. It's been a long time. Let's focus a little bit on the thumbnail, right? So you guys clicked it because it's the Fitbit Charge 3. If you've watched my videos before, you know that I love smartwatches, that I like fitness trackers. I was using the Charge 2. Before that, I've used the Fitbit Versa. Before that, I've used the Fitbit Ionic. Before that, I've used the Apple Watch Series 1, 2, and 3. Samsung Galaxy smartwatches before. I like all that kind of stuff. So when it comes to a smartwatch or fitness tracker, I'm not your prototypical person that loves super smart functionality, nor am I someone who loves, you know, all the bells and whistles of a fitness tracker. Matter of fact, I'm pretty lazy, so when it comes to fitness, I don't do that as often as I should. However, I do like a few things, and those things are tracking my sleep, tracking my steps, and just overall my heart rate, how it is throughout the day. So the Charge 2 HR, if it has HR in it, has done that for me for over a year. Now the Charge 3 has been doing that for me for over a week. Couple things, couple reasons why I went ahead and got the Charge 3. One, touchscreen. Adds a little bit more functionality, makes it a little bit more intuitive, so that's kind of cool. But the biggest reason for me was the waterproofing. I'm the type of person that when I wear something like that, I don't want to have to take it off. I don't want to have to take it off to take a shower. I don't want to take it off so I can go wash my hands or just be conscious around water. That little bit of peace of mind goes a long way. With that being said, I want this video to be a little quick comparison when it comes to the look and design of both of these. And then ultimately, I'm going to be doing a final review from a casual user standpoint. Again, someone who's not really active in the fitness realm, but someone who also appreciates smart functionality, and because I do love smartwatches and kind of where this lies for those kinds of people. First and foremost, let me kind of show you guys how this looks. It's much more streamlined. It just looks like it flows a lot better. The band just functions a little better, feels a little better. So this is a special edition model. So what makes this special edition, to be quite honest, is it comes with the white band, which I'm not using because I don't think it looks that good, and it comes with NFC. So you actually can use Fitbit Pay with this, which is one of the reasons why I went with the Charge 3. I just, might as well get something that allows me to buy things quicker and easier if I don't have my wallet on me and things like that. And then ultimately, the shape and design of this guy is just better. It doesn't actually have a button. What you see here on the side is a tactile button, sort of how like Apple has implemented before in their phones. Push down on it, it activates it. Unlike the Charge 2 that actually has a button, as you see there. The Charge 3 also has a slightly bigger screen, and then that screen itself is touch enabled. So you can actually scroll through different menus like that. And that's kind of cool. Then when you want to go to different things or go back, then you press on the side here. And the haptics actually feel really good on the Charge 3. So it's going to give you 24/7 heart rate monitoring, battery life up to 7 days, apps, notifications, and on-wrist payment with Fitbit Pay. I want to touch up a little bit on that battery life, up to 7 days. That's huge because so far I've only charged this thing once. Now, mind you, I'm not utilizing this to its full potential. I don't have notifications coming in. I don't have this thing setting alarms, and I don't have this thing pumping out notifications. And that's part of the reason why I'm okay with Fitbit and what they do. Because if I'm going to go the notification realm, I need something like a Samsung smartwatch or an Apple Watch. I need something that's going to actually let me engage with those notifications. I believe the Fitbit Charge 3 has quick replies enabled or will be coming out soon. It's just so limited that at that point, I might as well pick up my smartphone and actually engage with that type of notification. Now, what I look for in a smartwatch, or let me say this, what I look for in a fitness tracker with smart capabilities is something that's going to allow me to get that occasional notification if I want it. So this allows me to do it. I don't use it that often, but it's there. I want something that's going to allow me to set an alarm, something that's going to allow me to actually do those kind of things. Read a little notification here or there, set an alarm here or there, and then even use my bandwidth like Spotify or things like that if I want to go that route. If they try to cram that much stuff into something this size without that kind of software to back it up, then you're going to run into issues, and then you're going to ruin the fitness aspect of it, and you're going to ruin the smartwatch aspect of it. I just wanted to make this video, guys, so you can see the overall look of each. So you've got this one right here, which is the Charge 2 on this side, and then the Charge 3 on that side. And what's kind of disappointing, and I'll say this, like if you're looking at the screen with it off, you can actually see where the borders begin and end and which part of the screen is screen. And it's kind of deceiving on the Charge 3 because you would think that a lot of this is mostly screen, but it's not. Like you have a lot of bezel still. So leaves you to believe that Fitbit could have done a much better job with the actual touch input of this device, giving us a lot more of an immersive experience, removed the bezels a little bit better, and then gone more of a smartwatch design. But I guess they don't want to kind of step over, you know, the Fitbit Versa and what they're doing there. And that's kind of my take right now, guys. So definitely let me know in the comment section below if you are looking at the Charge 3, whether the special edition or non-special edition, which are the two, the one you're leaning towards. Is the special edition costs $20 more. So is Fitbit Pay worth it? Do you use it? And then stay tuned for the next video because I'm just gonna be doing a quick review from a casual user's perspective of the Charge 3. Like always, guys, I appreciate you watching the video. You already know what to do. Hit the like, hit the subscribe. I think I just got to a milestone. I'm not sure. Thanks to you guys. And I'll talk a little bit more about that in another video. And like always, stay geeky because that's the most important thing to do. Peace, salute, and adios.